Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do some steamed fish. I have my fish over here and I have carrot, Irish potato, pumpkin, bell peppers, onion, okra, scotch bonnet, pepper, thyme, and scallion. And here I have my all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and I'm going to use these to season my fish. Also the fish tea seasoning, and I couldn't find the fish tea mix, so I'm going to use this one here. Alright, so I'm going to start seasoning my fish. Just pour the seasoning all over it. Alright, so I'm just going to put it on the other side as well, and also inside the fish to get the seasoning all over. Just repeat the same thing with the other fish. Get some season inside. And as I said before, don't forget the inside of the fish. You have to get your seasoning all over it. I didn't add salt to it because, you know, the seasoning already has salt in it. So I already turned the stove on, so I'm just going to put the butter in to saute the pumpkin, the carrot, and the Irish potato. You know what? I guess I'm just going to pour everything in it at this moment. Alright guys, so this is the butter melting. Okay, let me put the other stuff in it. I'm going to start out with those first. Alright, so I'm just going to do this for like 2 minutes, then I will add the water to it. I make sure to cut the pumpkins and the carrots really thin so it can cook quickly, so you know. Alright, so I'm going to add the pumpkin flavor mix to my water. Going to mix it around. And add it to my thingy. I don't like the noodles in it, so I'm not going to add it to it. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook for like 5 minutes, and then I will add the fish to it. Alright, so I'm going to add the rest of my vegetables to it. My bell peppers, onions, thyme, the okras that I have, it's really soft, so I'm going to add it after I add the fish to it. Like, it's soft, but I couldn't get fresh okras to buy, so to buy the frozen one. Yeah, so I'm just going to, you know, let it cook and forward back and add the fish to it. Alright people, it's time to check to see if the pumpkin and the Irish potato cook. Alright. Right there. Alright. See that? Or it goes straight through it. Where's the pumpkin? Ah, where pumpkin go? Alright, I'm gonna find one. See there? Time to add the fish. Yes. Really have one in the kitchen today. Alright, so let me add the fish. One here. Let me see. I think the pot probably too. No, fit just right. Okay. Alright. So the fish, you know, it's going to take like 10 to 12 minutes to cook. No longer than that. Okay guys, so see, I added the okra to it. As I said before, it's really soft, so just add it last. Alright guys, so it's time for me to remove the fish from the stove. It's finished. It looks nice. Smells good. And remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have yourself a wonderful day. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Steamed fish with all of the goodies, and I say it look nice. Tastes good. Can't wait to dig into it. And remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.